Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth without bones. First, choose beef cuts rich in flavor, like chuck roast or short ribs for a robust base. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables. Roughly chop carrots, celery, and onions. Finally, assemble your herbs and spices, such as bay leaves, whole peppercorns, and fresh thyme sprigs, to infuse depth into your broth. To begin, sear your beef pieces in a large stock pot over medium-high heat until they develop a deep, rich brown crust on all sides. This step is crucial for building flavor. Then, add your chopped vegetables to the pot and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften slightly and become fragrant. Finally, cover all ingredients with cold water, ensuring everything is submerged, and slowly bring it to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, allow your broth to cook gently for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even longer, to fully extract all the delicious flavors from the beef and vegetables. During this time, periodically skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to ensure a clear broth. After simmering, carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, discarding the solids and reserving the rich, flavorful liquid. After straining, taste your homemade beef broth and season it with salt and pepper to your liking. Remember, you can always add more seasoning later when using the broth in recipes. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers for storage. It can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for several months. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.